Far west our course, we're Signia bound. We'll plough the straits where our prey do carouse, whether kin fae far seas. We'll call their last blows, and their bones we'll cast o'er to the deep dark below Dundee. Fare thee well to the whaler, to the gallant Snowdrop and her sailors, to her captain, harpooner, and her Inuit crew. After dark winter's gales, pints foam for your tails, and the Taes water sweet wait for you, and the Taes water sweet wait for you. Signia Ho, we bring all aboard. Honour the Lord, all help fill the hold. Come call us the walrus, the seal and white whale. Come dogs, bring the skins o' the fox and great bear o' Dundee. Fare thee well to the whaler, to the gallant Snowdrop and her sailors, to her captain, harpooner, and the Inuit crew. After dark winter's gales, pints foam for your tails, and the Taes water sweet wait for you, and the Taes water sweet wait for you. Summer away, anchor drops in Bear Sound. Up springs the gale, drives the Snowdrop aground. Alec, cries the captain, make the rope fast to shore. She breaks all away, and we saved every soul o' Dundee. Fare thee well to the whaler, to the gallant Snowdrop and her sailors, to her captain, harpooner, and the Inuit crew. After dark winter's gales, pints foam for your tails, and the Taes water sweet wait for you, and the Taes water sweet wait for you. There's no escape, safe paths lie unknown, strange hills, shifting ice, no way leads home. So follow the Inuit, their tracks northward go. Back to Signia, 6 sleeps through the snow o' Dundee. Fare thee well to the whaler, to the gallant Snowdrop and her sailors, to her captain, harpooner, and the Inuit crew. After dark winter's gales, pints foam for your tails, and the Taes water sweet wait for you, and the Taes water sweet wait for you. Winter bites hard, wi' dark drift and ice, but there burns a flame to turn a man's life. Old ways, your new ways, old guides, new eyes show. When the dice tries to claim you, warm hands raise your soul o' Dundee. Fare thee well to the whaler, to the gallant Snowdrop and her sailors, to her captain, harpooner, and the Inuit crew. After dark winter's gales, pints foam for your tails, and the Taes water sweet wait for you, and the Taes water sweet wait for you. The crew says stay till the whaler will show, but the families move, it's the way they best know. And when the bells ring and sling distant dark skies, you're snowbound on the ice, hunting seal to survive a Dundee. Fare thee well to the whaler, to the gallant Snowdrop and her sailors, to her captain, harpooner, and the Inuit crew. After dark winter's gales, pints foam for your tails, and the Taes water sweet wait for you. And the Taes water sweet wait for you. Spring greens the fields, brings a blush to bare burks. Spring sings the unworld far away, fae the creeks o' the glacier ye cross. Sae weary ye fall, but you're found, saved again, though you commended your soul a Dundee. Fare thee well to the whaler, to the gallant Snowdrop and her sailors, to her captain, harpooner, and the Inuit crew. After dark winter's gales, pints foam for your tails, and the Taes water sweet wait for you. And the Taes water sweet wait for you. Well, it's many the sleep to cross 500 mile, that stretch fae Signia to the Hudson Bay tide, and it's many the ship to cross the dark foam, back east now our course, so far now from home, and it's every day to cross time's shore. I'll never repay all the kindness I owe an Inuit to vow it fae the whaler, fae all Dalagrache the sailor, fae Kivviaqtuq, or rose fae the ice. You're to pick my aim, I lived like your ain, but the Tae put me back to her tide, the Tae put me back wi' her tide.